Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about what is the degree of a monomial and a polynomial. Now let us see first what is the degree of a monomial. What is the degree of a monomial? The degree of a monomial is defined as the sum of the exponents of the variables present in it. So what is the degree of a monomial? The degree of a monomial is defined as the sum of the exponents of the variables present in it. Now let us see this through an example. Degree of 2x cube y square z power 4 equals. Now what are the variables present in it? X, y and z. If you notice, the exponent of x is 3 and the exponent of y is 2 and the exponent of z is 4. So 3 plus 2 plus 4, that is 9. Therefore, degree of 2x cube y square z power 4 is 9. Now let us see one more example. Degree of minus 2 by 3 whole power 5 x cube y square z. In this, the variables are x, y and z. The exponent of x is 3 and the exponent of y is 2, but we can't see any exponent for z here. So whenever there is no exponent for any variable, it is always 1. So exponent of z is 1. Therefore 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. That is the degree of this minus 2 by 3 whole power 5 x cube y square z equals 6. Some of you may have a doubt in your mind. Why the exponent 5 is not added? It is also an exponent, but why is it not added? Students, I told the degree of a monomial is defined as the sum of the exponents of the variables present in it. But minus 2 by 3 is not a variable. It is a constant. That is why I haven't added the exponent 5 while finding the degree of this monomial. Now let us see one more. Degree of 5 by 4 equals. Now clearly in 5 by 4 there is no variable at all. It is a constant term. But every constant term can be written as 5 by 4 into x power 0. Not only x power 0, you can write it as 5 by 4 y power 0 or 5 by 4 z power 0 or 5 by 4 ABC whole power 0, because anything raised to the power of 0 is always 1. So 5 by 4 into 1, again you get 5 by 4 only. So now the variable present in this is x. And what is its exponent? 0. So whenever a term has no variable in it, its degree is 0. We know if a term has no variable, then we call it a constant term. Therefore, what we say is degree of a constant is always 0. Degree of a constant term is always 0. This is how we find the degree of a monomial. Now let us see how to find the degree of a polynomial and what is its definition. Now the degree of a polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is defined as the highest degrees of its various terms. So what is the degree of a polynomial? The degree of a polynomial is defined as the highest degrees of its various terms. So let us see this through an example. Let us try to find the degree of 2x cube y square minus 5 by 4 x cube y cube z power 4 plus 3x cube y cube z minus 6. Now this polynomial has 4 terms in it. The first term is 2x cube y square. The second term is 5 by 4 x cube y cube z power 4. The third term is 3x cube y cube z. And the last term is 6. Of course, these are connected by minus, plus, minus. Now, let us find the degree of each term. The degree of the first term is, there are 2 variables in it, x and y. Its exponents 3 plus 2, 5. The degree of the second term. The second term is a monomial. Again, its degree is, there are 3 variables. So 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. And the degree of the third term similarly is 7. And for this, there is no variable at all. So it is a constant. So its degree is 0. As we have already learned, the degree of a constant term is always 0. Now, if you notice, the degrees of the various terms of this polynomial are 5, 10, 7 and 0. Now what is the highest of all these? The highest of all these is 10. So we assign this 10 to the degree of this polynomial. So the degree of the polynomial 2x cube y square minus 5 by 4 x cube y cube z power 4 plus 3x cube y cube z minus 6 is equal to 10. This is how we find the degree of a monomial and a polynomial. So I do hope you prepare well on this and be ready for a test.